In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all trash in Notion at once. If you've been cleaning up your Notion workspace and you want to permanently remove items sitting in the trash, this process is simple, but it's important to understand how it works. In Notion, deleted pages usually move to the trash first, which gives you a chance to restore them later if needed. But if you're sure you no longer need those items, you can permanently delete them from there. To get started, open Notion and make sure you're inside the workspace where the deleted items are stored. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where Notion keeps your main navigation options, including your pages, team spaces, and settings. In that sidebar, click on Trash. When you open the Trash section, you'll see the pages and items that have already been deleted from your workspace. This area acts like a holding space before those items are fully removed. Take a moment here to quickly review what's inside, especially if you want to avoid deleting something important by mistake, because once you permanently delete an item, it cannot be recovered through the trash. Next, move your cursor over one of the items in the trash. When you hover over it, more options will become available. Click the three-dot menu next to that item, or, if you prefer, you can right-click directly on the item instead. Both methods open the same action menu, so use whichever one feels more convenient. From that menu, select Delete Permanently. This will fully remove that specific item from Notion instead of leaving it in the trash. If your goal is to clear everything out, you'll need to repeat this same action for each item currently listed in the trash. Notion doesn't always provide a single universal button for wiping every trashed item in one click, so this is the method you'll use to completely clean it out. As you go through the list, just continue hovering over each item, opening the menu, and choosing Delete Permanently until the trash is empty. If you're working with a lot of deleted pages, moving carefully can help prevent accidental permanent deletion of something you meant to keep. And that's it. Once you've repeated the process for all items, your Notion trash will be fully cleared.